We're in, boys. We're in. UST just defeated NU, and we have the third seed as our ceiling. Either way, we're on to the final four. You know what time it is? That's it. So happy, bro. Bumabiyahe yata ako kahapon pa uwi. Kaya hindi ko napanood yung game nila. So papanoorin ko na lang mamaya yung highlights. Di biro tong panalo natin. Siguro para sa inyo, wala na to masyadong kwenta. Kasi at the end of the day, first seed pa rin naman sila. Pero, kung ikaw ang UST, this has a lot to do with your chances of the Final Four. At dahil nga nanalo sila, Coach Pido is happy, everybody is happy, it's gonna start to contribute again. And I just hope na yung confidence and swag na meron yung UST nung second half ng second round ay madala nila pagdating ng Final Four. Kasi parang nakalock na yung UP tsaka yung NU sa twice to beat advantage, so kailangan matalo sila ng 2 beses. The bright spot para sa UST though is that every single team na parte na o hindi pa parte ng Final Four ay natalo na ng UST ng at least 1 beses. UP nung first round, Lasal nung first round din. I think we swept Ateneo. Yung NU kamakailan lang, tapos yung FEU sweep din yata natin. Ay hindi, maglalaro pa pala tayo, yun pala yung huli kasi na-cancel. Sana makahula, pre. Syempre, medyo magiging mahirap, pero I think we have enough pieces to contend for a championship. We are in a great situation kasi hindi na natin kailangan alalahanin kung ano yung mangyayari sa atin sa huling araw ng UAAP elimination rounds. Pero di rin tayo pwede magpakampante. Yung UP, ibang klaseng halimaw yan pagdating ng Final Four. Anyway, I'm just happy as shit, bro.